Watch out here, drivers. Right here, there's a guy in the right lane. The right lane's running out. The guy in the left lane is not letting him over. Now, the guy on the right is wrong, but the guy on the left is wrong too. The reason why is, yeah, the guy in the right lane should have got over beforehand. The guy on the left lane don't have to let him over. But look at this construction right here. There's people actually working. Somebody's dad, somebody's mom, and somebody's gonna get hurt because these two idiots are fighting and they're each other's ego. One don't want to let the other one over, the other one gonna let the other one over, and now they're fighting. Watch this right here. Y'all are coming up on a construction.